crazy shit, huh, guys? Some crazy shit.
Fucked up.
It's only in first and second, guys. After that,
It's still
good.
fucked up.
It's still fucked up, man. Don't buy cars.
Yeah, the cars suck. Good shit. This is the, look at this. Film me, show this shit. Okay, look at this door. Look at this door. I mean, the back is alright. See that? Ooh, nasty.
Guys, we suspect is rubbing on something down there in the Driveshaft area. We're gonna find out.
I can feel it smacking the fuck out of it.
Smacking the shit out of that thing, tearing it up.
Fucked up.
I think it's that bearing, the Driveshaft bearing.
Yeah,
or the U-bolt and all that.
Hopefully it has the bolts. That shit sounds fucked up. Project car. And the seatbelts don't fucking work.
Not reliable.
It's not mine. There we go. All bad.
Have to come up with a name too for them as well.
For what? Oh. Okay. You can hear it rubbing so bad. I'm neutral right now.
You guys can't smell it, but it's It's rubbing so much, it's burning the steel. It stinks.
Fuck up.
So you guys, if you want a comparison, when you guys grind stuff with a grind wheel, that's what it smells like. Ah, nice. Smells great, guys. Smells great.
It smells really bad. It smells like shit.
You guys like fumes? I like fumes. Lord knows Cali still needs those fumes, man.
Hi, everybody. You want to take the camera down there?
Oh wow. The whole differential moves, dude.
Well, there's no bearing in the middle.
It's not even that. It's the actual differential lifts up.
I was thinking that because it's rubbing at the base of the differential.
Fuck, dude. Yeah, the bearing's gone, but I was supposed to do that. Oh my gosh.
You can replace it.
Fuck. The whole diff lifts. That's not what you guys want to see. What a mess. This is why we have that fucking noise. Fuck.
Supposedly killed? Well, that's where they went. Different.
Shh. Gonna get demonetized.
There's a screw right here on the corner.
Mm-hmm. You see it?
Yeah, you see it right here?
A long old bolt, I guess, that goes in it.
Let's look at pictures of differentials for your car, maybe. Because I saw this and I was like, I don't know how the fuck it reached up there.
Me neither. Remember the first time we looked down here? So what the fuck?
Do you want to drop the thing and change out the bearing and then find out what else is going on?
Yeah, might as well.
It's possible that because of the rattle of the other bearing, it rattled out those bolts.
Could be.
It just